Go, finish, let's go! Woo!
You already know we're starting the day off with a little Java and a little snacky snack. We are going to be walking around Zurich, Switzerland today. I'm going to be your tour guide. I'm going to be taking you through a walking tour, an infamous Brad walking tour. I'm going to be showing you the sights as I see them with my very own eyes for the very first time. So just enjoy yourself. I'm going to be holding your hand through the streets of beautiful Zurich, Switzerland. And we're just going to be sort of perusing, taking a look around, eating, exploring. I've been exploring a lot over the last few days on bike, on foot. So today we're sort of going to go along this journey together. Some of you may be wondering, what are the names of some of these churches that I'm looking at? I have no idea. I immediately forgot the names of the churches, but it's all good. It's a lot of fun just to walk around and really enjoy the sights and be a real tourist. And I do recommend anybody, if you are looking for a cool place to go to Zurich, Switzerland. It's awesome. But be warned, it's very, very expensive. It's incredibly expensive. Like, even to get coffee, it's expensive. So just keep that in mind when you're going to Zurich, Switzerland. It's absolutely beautiful though. The sights are amazing. It's super safe, which is really cool. Very modern as well, but with that European architecture all throughout. And the cool thing is you can see the mountains from everywhere, which is great. The Swiss Alps are always in view. But today I went on a little walk around, and then I actually ended up going to a beautiful art gallery. And one of the great things about art galleries in, just Europe in general, is that you get the classic artists. I love taking a look at classic artists, like the Picassos, the Da Vinci's of the world. So you get to see everything. Look at me, super cool. This ended up being tray hot. I think this room is just construction. I think it's under construction. I don't see anything here. I love a Jan Bruegel. So nice. Super fun day at the art gallery. I always enjoy taking a look at new art galleries. And it was just a great experience. I absolutely love this city. Super fun. And gelato as always. Water polo randomly, just in a river. Very cool. But until next time, enjoy. Love you. Bye.